Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Edwardsville, Kansas at this beautiful home. Check this home out. These folks have lived here for about 30 years, had the house built. And this morning right over in here, we seen a great big adult skunk. Wasn't threatened by us or anything, just going around eating some grubs. We've got 8 piers going in over here from this room addition to the west, around the west side and around the north side. 8 total piers. The general contractor on this room addition has shown a little bit of settlement. Most of these will be stabilizers. Stay tuned. King Piers, Edwardsville. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.